I've done over 120 videos for my channel, and now I need your help. I'm sitting outside today. I'm about to attempt some gardening. If you don't know what that means, you can check out my gardening video that I put up a while back. And I was thinking while I was out here, what is something that I want to cook that I haven't cooked yet? I've done briskets, I've done ribs, chicken, chuck roasts, turkeys. I've done just about everything of the normal smoking and barbecue food that you would do. I've done a few other interesting things. I've grilled cake, I've made beef jerky, I've made grilled potato salad, Dutch oven chicken, Dutch oven stew, Dutch oven bread pudding. But this summer, at least once, I want to try something really different. Some of the things I've considered are getting wild boar ribs and doing those on the smoker, maybe doing a duck. Now, duck isn't that real exotic, but in this area, we don't have a lot of duck. And I haven't done duck yet, and smoked duck breast is supposed to be really good. I was also thinking of trying a whole goose. Never done a goose. I think it would be interesting to try. I've also looked at getting some yak meat from Colorado. That would be interesting, maybe some yak tenderloin or something. But what I'm hoping to get from you are some suggestions. Do you have any ideas of something a little different that you'd like to see me cook this summer? Now, there's a lot of things I'd really like to do. I'd like to do a whole pig. I don't really have a cooker that's large enough. I could probably do a small piglet on the Oklahoma Joe's Highland, so that's a possibility. But I'd love to hear your ideas. What are some things out there that you'd like to see me cook? Now, it would have to be reasonable. You know, there are certain things I can't get, or I can't get easily, or at a reasonable price. I don't want to go and drop, $200 or $300 on a piece of meat and mess it up, especially if I've never done it before. So I'd like to try something a little more reasonable. So please, if you can, leave some ideas in the comments down below. I really want to look at these. I really want to sort of dial in on something that I can plan to do this summer, sort of a special cook. It can be on anything. It can be on the offset smoker, on the charcoal grill, the electric smoker, over the fire pit, the gas grill. Really, any of the cookers I have, I can use. Now, I'd prefer to do it outside. I could obviously do something in the kitchen, and I've done stuff in there before. You've seen it in my videos. But I'd really like to do something outside, because that's where I love to cook, and I think you enjoy it when I cook outside. So as I said, please leave me those ideas in the comments below. And hopefully, pretty soon, my voice will be back to normal. It's been like over 3 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day. Give me your ideas. I'll see you again soon.